Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at two BOLDR watches using the same case, basically the same case, difference being the chronograph pushers. So since BOLDR sent in both of these watches for us to check out, I figured I'd just do a quick video comparing these two. So on the right we have the BOLDR Venture Wayfarer Navy, and on the left we have the BOLDR Venture Field Medic with the camouflage dial. So let's take a look at these close together. The watch on the right is an automatic movement, the Miyota 8217 with a 24-hour sub-dial. And the watch on the left is powered by a Seiko Mecha Quartz, the VK64. I'll activate the chronograph here, and you can see the second hand with a mechanical sweep. But if you look closely, you can see that it's not quite as smooth as the watch on the right. I believe this is 4 beats per second versus 6 beats per second. So other than the chronograph pushers, another difference is that this watch is not quite as thick. It's the 0.5 millimeter thinner, but I would attribute that to the case back. I'll show you that here. These are both titanium watches, very nice and light. I'll try not to get the straps mixed up. We can look at the straps real quick. They both have titanium hardware, navy on the left and green on the right, obviously. They feel to be very same. Actually, they're exactly the same, just the color is different. So let's set these to the side and we'll take a look at the cases. The one on the right looks a little darker for some reason. So yeah, the case back on this one looks a little bit thicker. I'm sure there's more room needed for the mechanical movement with the rotor in there. So anyway, let's look at the case backs. So I'll put the straps back on and then we can look at the dial of each one. I'll put them both on wrist and then we can end the video with a loom shot. I know from my review that this one is going to be much brighter than that one. Sorry, spoiler alert. Oh, I can show you. I really do like this case, the way that it's straight here and then it's cut back down. So any straight end link bracelet or leather strap or whatever will fit in here real nice. It looks like it's integrated into that watch case. Another strap here. It's a NATO. I don't think this will look very good, but since I have it here, what the heck? This feels a lot more softer than the other one. Not the best English there, grammar, but whatever. I don't know. I kind of like that actually. It's fun to play around with these field watches or anything with you have a pile of NATO straps. You can throw them on real quick and see how they look. I'll throw it on that one too for the fun of it. A bond strap with a camouflage face. Maybe. This is a real nice NATO strap. This is from Strap Mill, Canada. I guess it kind of works with the gray in there, maybe. I'm not all that good at picking out colors and coordinating. So I'll set that to the side and put the correct straps back on. This strap feels very solid, almost so much that I could probably do pull-ups with this strap. Might try that one day. With my own, of course, not with watches that are lent into the channel. All right, so let's zoom in and look at both of these real quick. They both have printed numerals and indices. They both have the same Japan super loom. They both appear to have the same crown, the signed crown with the BOLDR logo there. And then we look at the Wayfarer. I like this dial. I like the navy blue, actually. This has printed indices and numerals as well. Everything on here is printed. And the handset has the Japan super loom again. Nice textured dial. Both of these watches have sapphire crystal with AR coating. This one looks like it has more glare, but maybe because it's a solid color. Yeah, I would say they're about the same. So let me get each of these on wrist, and then we can close out the video with a loom shot. Oh, here, I'll show you the resetting of the second hand. We'll stop it, and then reset, and it'll snap right back. No, I don't think I covered the dimension of these. Maybe I did, can't remember. 44 lug to lug. Case diameter on both of these is 38. Again, I mentioned the thickness on this is 12.7. Thickness on this one is 12.2. 20 millimeter lug width and 5.9 millimeter crown. So let me get this on my 6.5 inch wrist with a 52 millimeter wrist span. Needle strap is nice and long. You can tuck it back underneath that second keeper there. I'll zoom out with this one. Swap over the other watch. Sorry, I was using this for comparison. SKX009 with 42 millimeter case. Pull this up to the camera here. Doesn't actually looks a little weird like that. There you go, a little bit better perspective. 42 versus 38. And you might have seen this one in the background. 38 versus 38. This looks a little larger as it doesn't have the rotating bezel and the dial is larger. Set that one off to the side and get this one on wrist. I should mention the price real quick. This one is $299, I believe, and this one here is $339. I'll leave a link to the website in the description. Really like that they went with the titanium hardware. All right, here we go. Again, 6.5 inch wrist with a 52 millimeter wristband. You get a sense of the thickness here. It just really pops off wrist with that thick NATO strap. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of these two watches and like the video if you liked it. And let's pause the video and we'll check out the loom. All right, so on the left we have the BOLDR Venture Wayfarer, and then on the right we have the BOLDR Venture Field Medic. As I had mentioned earlier, the loom on the Wayfarer will blow away the loom on the Field Medic, which is on the right. The handset looks to be about the same though, just the indices on the Field Medic. The loom there leaves much to be desired. But I don't really buy watches for the loom. Maybe you do. That's what's great about the hobby. We all have our own checklist of criteria that we feel is more important than other items on the list. So anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe if you hadn't already. Leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys soon.